booking shows, when you're like putting on shows or deciding what shows that you want to bring, what is the first thing you're thinking about? Are you starting with, okay, can this fill the room? Or do I like the music? Or do I like the agent or the manager or the artist? Or what's going through your mind when you're first putting a show together? Like, what's that process like?
It's a culmination of all of those things.
Okay.
The Troubadour is a super unique venue. It's been around 60 years. It has incredible history and incredible legacy. It's the home of the singer-songwriter. When songwriters came out of the Brill Building to sing their own songs, this is one of the places it started, you know, post Tin Pan Alley, all that stuff. So I always keep the legacy in mind of the songwriter and the storyteller, and that's where we do best.
Okay.
But we are also a stage of up-and-comers. We are a spotlight stage. We are a rite of passage. This is a unique thing about our room in Los Angeles and in North America and in the world. And so I really take seriously what I put on the stage.
Yeah.
But on the day I sit down at my computer, and obviously I have trusted agents and partners. Jamie, who you met earlier, is absolutely one of those people. We've worked on many shows together. Alan Stone, I know, has spoken about, one of our favorites.
Yeah.
And perfect example, someone to come back and do 3 nights.
Yeah, I was at one of those nights. It was magical.
Yeah,
magical.
He's so good.
Yeah.
And just warms that room so well.
Yeah, absolutely.
With the guests he brought also. But yeah, so, you know, a lot of shows that come from trusted agents. And so having artists come through those channels, you're going to get a look and you're going to get my attention, and I'm going to read it and I'm going to listen to it if I'm not already familiar, because those are my partners. Those are my teammates, and that's who I build shows with on a daily basis.